we'll start by reinstalling the deck. Then reinstalling the front plate. Again, for the sake of time, I'm not going to install these two screws here and here. Just simply reinstall those screws at this point in time as well. Moving on with the installation of the picker solenoid, I have now disconnected the picker solenoid from the linkage that connects to the actual picker itself. And I've positioned it now so that the little screw is facing up, so I can put this in afterwards and not have to worry about bending this linkage. So I will take this now and I will set it through the front of the bed arm. You have to make sure you put it in facing the proper direction. The bend has to be facing down as you put this in. Okay, I now have that in position. I will now take my new solenoid, set it in place, I'll pull the linkage out towards the front, that way it's out of my way. Set the new solenoid in place. And now I'll grab my two Allen screws that mount it. Now we're going to reconnect the linkage. I've got a magnetic screwdriver holding the screw in place for me. So now I've got the screw just barely started. It's just sitting in place. And I'll just shift the linkage around a little bit till it falls in place. After your linkage is connected, now you're ready to put the screw back in at the top that also holds the self-oiling tube in place. Snug that down. Now we will put our bracket back in place. And now we're ready to connect the linkage on the picker. To make this linkage connection a little easier, it's often good to take off your cover around the rotary hook area. Now we'll line up the linkage. We'll get the screw started. And then we'll tighten up the linkage. And now we can tighten up the screws on the picker solenoid. Now we just put the covers back on. The bed arm cover goes next. Before you tighten this all the way down, make sure that if the linkage has come off of your trimmer, you want to make sure you put that on now before you tighten those screws down. In fact, I made this back one just a little too tight. I don't have quite enough play in here. Linkage is connected. Now we can finish tightening up this cover. And we'll put the needle plate back on. And last, the rotary hook area cover. Now we're all done replacing the picker solenoid.